Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound and Gray Man Prepping. I'm downstairs here in the original house and I'm doing some work down here for my daughter to help her make it so she can see her food storage a little bit better. So she's done a lot of work down here. Some of it she can see pretty well. So we're going to move in here and look at some of this stuff here. She's got some supplies here all set up here in the one area here. Laundry stuff and cleaners down below. Kind of a catch-all shelf right now over here that she's just, putting stuff on. But the problem she has is over here in this other side here. Well, as you can see, she got a bunch of storage out here of things. But back in here, the lighting's not too good. So we're going to put up some LED Christmas lights all over around here to try to get it to work. So give me a second and I'll get all set up for you. All right, since I got the one light out there, it's going to be kind of weird lighting until I get some other lighting in here. What I'm going to do is, I got a staple gun, not a normal staple gun. This staple gun shoots U-shaped staples, so that with the wires and stuff, it goes around the wire. Let me bring this over here closer so you can see it. So if here's your wire, the U-shaped staple goes around it. Okay, so there it is, just hanging on it. So this is what the old phone lines in the house, when they would run the phone line along the baseboard, this is what they used. So this is the T25 size. It's the wider size, and so I can just put the staple gun up over it and just shoot up right over it. So basically I put the staple gun right up against it and it shoots around it. So we put a starter one in over here just so I have some stuff going here. There we go. And then second one up higher here. There. Alright, now I'll plug this in over here. Alright, I got some lights, so I'm going to go ahead try to get this in the right spot here so you can see it here. What I'm doing without that other light there wiping it out. Extend the other legs here. So I'm going to put a bunch of these up here. Out of staples. Good thing I ordered a box of them off Amazon. They were about a fourth the price as they were up at Ace Hardware. Like most staple guns, you push in, lower down, pull back. And then you got to match it up to the channel right there. So it fits on and then just slides right on in. push this down in and get it to lock. This is all the lights I got up in here. Starting to get light and blurry on it, but definitely can see what's on the shelves back here a lot easier. I can actually read what the types of jams are back here. So you got apricots, apples, some sort of other stuff that she made. She knows what everything is on the homemade stuff. That's all that's important. But she can also now read, simply pull it out and read what we wrote on there. You know, February 2024. So she knows when the stuff needs to be used by. So that's what we got here. And yeah, more shelf space you can use. Oh, bet she hasn't seen this. Potatoes are growing eyes. All right, so that's what we got done down here, and you can actually see a little bit of what my daughter has. She has a lot more upstairs, but she takes from here and takes it upstairs and fills in upstairs. And so she's got a lot of this is her the food storage upstairs. She has the working pantry, and so she takes from here to upstairs, and some things she just pulls from downstairs when she needs it downstairs here. Alrighty, so as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't do anything foolish. Keep on adding to your preps, especially with food and water, because you don't want this to happen to you.